Oh, hi everyone. I'm Joshua. Good to see you guys again. So today I'm gonna talk about a quotation, which is humanity is acquiring all the right technology from all the wrong reasons. Well, when I first heard about the quotation, I thought about something about a movie, I, Robot. Have you heard the movie I, Robot before? I think about scenes from this movie is talk about uh, thousands of hundreds of robots army. They come together and they want to kill all the people because they believe that what the humans doing is wrong, and those robots want to correct human by killing them. Oh my god, it sounds so horrible. Well, let's just stop the story for a second. Come back to our quotation. I think the quotation means two things and one absent. I will tell you one by one. So the first thing of it is it means the original purpose is correct, but people change it. Who change it? Some businessmen and probably some politicians. Well, GMO seeds is very great example of it. So at first, some scientists they invent some GMO seeds for feeding more people, but businessmen apply a patent of it. So it means like if you are farmer, if you are farmer, you have your own field, you didn't buy the GMO seeds, but once the GMO seeds come into your field, then you have to pay for it because the patent. But the ridiculous thing is that as a human, how can you control the wind? Because you know the seeds comes with the rain, the wind, right? Comes with the wind. How can you control the wind? It's ridiculous. But you have to pay for it if you didn't buy any GMO seeds before. Huh. Okay, let's talk about the second thing, which is the quotation actually also means people are tend to overuse their power once they have their power. So now I'm going to talk about two cities. One is London and one is Beijing. Can you come up with some common things between two cities? Yeah, I think you probably got it. This is a frog, right? So in the past, we call London the city of fog something, and the fog in London actually killed a lot of people. And the same thing is happening in Beijing. It's very sad. So far, we don't know how many people killed, how many people died from the fog, and we don't know how many people get sick of it. But at least we know the environmental population is it's a very serious problem. We can't just leave it, right? So let's move on to one absent now. What is absent now? It's our education. Actually, education can help, but humanity education absent in our society for a long time because high paid job they don't focus on environment, they don't focus on humanity, they just focus on technology. So in China, people have to turn an exam we call Gaokao, and those people very good at taking exam, they get very high score from the exam. They all go to the top university, and they all focus on technology discipline. They all want to mention some new things. They all want to invite more new technology. But so what? We don't have humanity things. So in summary, I'm gonna talk about. So I just talk about the GMO seeds, the frog, and the two things tells us that the wrong reasons. And now we see the one absence of our education, which is humanity education. So what to do now is very clear actually. In conclusion, private interest and the limitation of human, the two things turn our technology into a wrong way. Actually, education can help, but it absent for a long time. So what to do now? Let's turn our attention to those humanity subjects. Teach our children what is correct, what is right, what supposed to do, but we didn't do it. Well, so now, do you still remember the movie I just mentioned at the very beginning of the whole topic? Well, I want to tell you that in this movie, Dell, who is a policeman, he saved all the human by trusting a robot. Yeah, that's the power of trust. It makes him becomes to a hero. Actually, everyone can be a hero, and to become a hero, starting from take some class about humanity, start from focus on more on our humanity things, make right decision of our whole society, make the right decision of your own, right? Thank you very much, and probably we will see again next time.